Hi, in this video I'm going to solve practice question for construction. So number 1, construct triangle ABC with AC 7, CB 6 and AB equal to 8. Okay, we will start with the longest line, 8 centimeter. Okay, we have the rules here, rulers. So this is 8. Okay, there it is. Let's make it label A and B. Next, let's find it AC. So actually we need to use the arc to find the point between AC and CB, but we don't have here in so let's estimate it here. So 7 can be here, can be here, it can be here. So this is the arc for 7. Okay, next let's find it for CB 6. So it can be here for C. I think here C is fine. Okay, they meet here. No, so this is 6. Okay, we got it 6. And after 6 we got it 4, 7. Okay. Yeah, it's quite high, I'm sorry. Okay, 7. Okay, oosh. Not 45 degrees, so it's six. Okay, there we go. Okay, we get it. We got it. So this is 7 centimeter. A to C. And then BC or CB is 6 centimeter. And AB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, next, construct the angles with, okay, started with the longest, 8 centimeter again. Okay, we can do it from here, 8 centimeter. Okay, this is MO with 8 centimeter. Okay, this is gonna be hard with a ruler. You need a fractor to make it the arc. So let's find it for 5.5. So 5.5 can be here. Can be here as well. And can be here. Let's make it the R. Next is 4.5. So where it is, 4.5. That's the number to be. Okay, we got it, I think here. They meet. So we can make it here, 4.5. And then here is yeah, 5.5. Okay, we got it. This 5.5 centimeter, and this is 4.5 centimeter. So this is M and N. Okay. Next, construct triangle with 100 millimeter, which is 10 centimeter, and here is 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We always start with the longest line, 10. So let's construct here 10. This is 10 centimeter. So this is DE. Let's find the arc for 7. So 7 can be somewhere here. 7 or can be here. Okay, I think there it is. 2, you know. Yeah, 7, arc of 7. Now let's try for 5. Okay, this is 5. Yes, we found it here. Cross the arc. So 5, we can write it here, 5, and as a 7 here. Okay, we got it. This is 10 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So this is DM. Okay. Number 4, J drew triangle ABC with AB of 7 and then AC equal to 5 and BC equal to 3. This is we don't make sure. And conclude that if you know the length of two sides, you can construct a triangle accurately. So let's check it. Can we? If only we know two sides only. So we know, let's say this is AB. A 7. So this is A, B of 7. If we only know two sides, so this is 5. Can be like this. Can be also like this. Can be also another one. Let's try it. Sorry, triangle. Nice. Can be also like this. If you only knew two sides, we cannot make sure about the third. So 5 centimeter, it can be anywhere. Unless if we know the angle or the third side. So for J is incorrect. Okay, number 5. Show how you could adapt the method you use to construct triangle to draw a rhombus with sides of 5 centimeter long. Remember, rhombus, all sides are equal. So this is for number 5, rhombus. Okay, let's make it. Let's say this is A. Sorry, okay. Rhombus A and B of 5 centimeter. So first we should make it the arc of, let's find it the angle of 45. I think will be fine. Okay, 45 here. Oh, 5 centimeter. Here also 45. Oh, 5 centimeter. Okay, we can make it the arc here. So the final. Okay, this also 5 centimeter. So there it is for number 5. Thank you.